Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. All right, now just when we get the technical setups we like, the US dollar falling, euro up, sterling up, Aussies moving higher. So is the Kiwi, dollar CAD. Well, it's actually come down. A bit of oil and CAD sort of breakdown there, and even the beast is starting to show signs of weakness, and dollar Swiss is dribbling. Now the dollar is starting to give up some grounds here, right? And if I come back to the follow the trail template, you'll see that the yields, they're lower, right? So we've got a lower dollar. The only thing we have at the same time is probably one of the biggest holidays of the year, right? So we've got signals, live signals sort of lining up. We'll just come back to the signal page here. You can see a bunch of the majors. I was really tuned into Euro, got into the trade and picked up about 10 points, right? It's completely diffused by the holiday. So there's no need to go chasing the market. Now, there are a few things coming out today. You've got, German retail sales, usually pretty consistent, as are the Swiss numbers. You get some unemployment numbers here out of Germany as well, inflation numbers. And then you got the Canadian GDP numbers there as well. So are these going to impact? Well, they can. The truth is they can actually impact. But you need, with the CPI numbers coming out in Europe, it's sort of over a course of the day. You know what? This is like today sort of reminds me where just about the whole market is on, taking a break, taking a very long weekend break. Now, Switzerland and Japan are notoriously, or the central banks, for doing things on when the market is switched off. So just be aware of that. I don't think anything's happened. I don't think there's any value in getting into some of these trades at these levels because the market has completely lost all momentum, right? What you should be doing is, as I said, I've already taken cash out of the market. Seems a bit weird just taking 10 points, but you know what? I can't see much else from that. And what I would be doing just to sort of get yourself under check, just start having a look through where next week starts, right? We've got ISM manufacturing numbers and we've got the power speaking employment numbers. We've got a lot of stuff next week. So if you're thinking, I need to make some money today, you're probably looking at 5 point ranges at best, right? If anything, during the European session, there's probably a little bit more chance. There's a few things coming out, but everyone takes the day off in the banks, right? If there's a big US holiday, and that's what we've got. So don't waste your time in front of the screens. Enjoy your break. Think of it, you're part of the global trading community. So take a break when everyone else is as well. All right, guys, have a good one. We'll be back with you come Monday. Cheerio.